Here are 20 computer facts you probably didn't know. Number 20. The first computer weighed more than 27 tons and took up 1,800 square feet. And called ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, regardless of the size of ENIAC, it proved to be very useful then. Number 19. About 90% of the world's currency only exists on computers. This might come as a shock to you, but this is actually true, which means that only about 10% of the global currency is actually physical cash. Number 18. The world's first computer mouse was made of wood. Doug Engelbart invented it in 1964. A single wheel or a pair of wheels was used to translate the motion of the mouse into cursor movement on the screen. Engelbart was named the inventor on the basic patent for what was then called the XY position indicator for a display system. Number 17. About 70% of the computer virus engineers work for organized crime syndicates. This gives a new weight to the importance of installing antivirus and anti-malware software, and top-notch virus removal services. Number 16. The world's first known computer programmer was actually you guessed it, a woman. Ada Lovelace lived in England, where she works as a mathematician and writer. She is famous for working on the analytical engine. Number 15. Some of the biggest computer brands started in their garages. Although we already know that few of the most successful brands started in their garage. Like Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Jeff Bezos, Sergey Brin and Larry Page all started their company in their garages. Number 14. People blink less when they use the computer. While the average person blinks about 20 times per minute under normal circumstances, people using the computers only blink about 7 times per minute. Number 13. Hackers write about 6,000 new viruses each month. These viruses are designed to target a wide selection of operating systems. So please get antivirus software, people. It's better safe than sorry. Number 12. More than 80% of emails around the world are spam. To keep your data safe, delete those emails immediately. Don't click any links or attachments they might contain. Number 11. My Doom virus. It is the most expensive computer virus in history. The virus cost an estimated $38.5 billion in damages way back January of 2006 and earned a name for itself as the fastest spreading virus ever. Number 10. The parts of the modern computer were first invented in 1833. A man named Charles Babbage put them together, but the first modern computer came about 120 years later. Number 9. The first 1 gigabyte drive cost upward of $40,000. It was released in 1980 and weighed at around 550 pounds. How's that for a portable drive? Number 8. The case of the first ever Macintosh computer includes 47 signatures. On the inside of the device, Macintosh's entire division signed the case. How cool is that? Number 7. The worst US security breach of all time happened because of a USB stick. Someone found a USB stick in a parking lot and plugged it into their computer. The computer had links to the US Central Command, resulted to thousands of classified documents leaked. Number 6. A single computer catches 50% of all Wikipedia vandalism. Since Wikipedia is an encyclopedia that anyone can edit, people tend to vandalize and edit the contents of the page, causing inaccurate data. Number 5. Computers sort 95% of the mail. The U.S. Postal Service still hires individual employees to sort through addresses that are sloppy for computers to understand. Number 4. MIT have computers that can detect fake smiles. These computers can tell between genuine smiles and frustrated smiles. Number 3. Computers might soon be able to tell what dogs think. These type of computers are already under development by a Scandinavian company. Number 2. Russia engineered a computer that ran on water. The computer was built in 1936 and was meant to solve partial differential equations. And now the number 1 fact you probably didn't know about computers. Disney fired John Lasseter for pushing computer animation. Now John Lasseter is the Chief Compliance Officer of Pixar. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to get informed with the latest videos.